Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about keywords in Python programming. So how you can check keywords, what are the keywords, and how many keywords we have. So many things we will learn in this video. First, what is keyword in Python? Keywords are reserved words in Python, have their specific purpose. You can't use keyword names in identifiers such as variables, objects, functions, models, etc. So let's see an example. So a is equal to 5. If a greater than 3, print OK, else print not OK. So here keywords is if and else. So these two are keywords. So we use these keywords mainly for specific purpose, like if else is a purpose. So all the loops, if else, while, for, so these are all keywords. And let's see more. uh, you can run a command like this, help keywords, and you can find all the keywords: true, false, none. These are all keywords. And pass, raise, return, try, while, with, is, in, if else, shortcut, def we use for the function. So these are all keywords. How you can check help and keywords? You can just run this program and you can find the keywords. One more method to check keyword list: import keyword. So this is the library of keywords. Print keyword.ky list. So this is the function, we can say inbuilt function to use. We use it to find out all the keyword list. So by using this you can also find the keyword list. If you want to see how many keywords we have in your current version, whatever version you are using of your Jupyter or Anaconda or Python, so you can see it, because in every version the keyword list is different and numbers are different. So you need to verify that you must have 35 keywords in your latest version, Python version I'm talking about. So how to check a specific keyword? Help details. So suppose you want to know pass, this is a keyword. So help and use pass here, and it will give you the full details. So help is a function to check not only in keyword case, for any Python inbuilt functionality you can check by using help. So simple method. What pass do? It do these kind of things. You easily can read it and learn it. So if you want to know that you are not sure that it's a keyword or not, so how you will check? So this is the method you can use: import keyword library, and then keyword. Every time when you use library, you have to use the name of any library function. If you want to use, you have to use a library name with it. So keyword dot is keyword, false and true. It will give you false and true. So it is giving false because x is not a keyword, and def is a keyword, that's why it's returning true value. So that is how you can check your keywords. I mean, if you want to know that the entity is identifier or keyword, that is the best way to check it. So this function, please keep remember, is keyword. It is in the keyword library. Okay, let's go to the next. We have total 35 keywords. 33 keywords are in a small letter. So generally popular question is asked in two questions, that all the keywords are in lowercase. So you will say no, because true, false, and none, three keywords I can okay, it's showing two, but there are three keywords, and you can see here none is started with capital letter. So these three keywords have title case. The rest of the keywords in a small letters. So keep this thing in mind. If you will use a capital letter, suppose D is capital, it will not work, right? So keep this thing in mind, it's very important, otherwise you will get a syntax error or some other errors you can get. So in the next video we will learn about soft keywords. Okay, so bear with me, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want if you want to ask any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.